I thought it was time that I pulled out my little collection of quadcopters and have a little bit of a look at them. I've been sitting away for a few days because of the bad weather, so it's time to get them out and have a bit of fun again. Now of course there is something else down the bottom here that I've just got in. This is the one I'm adding to my collection right there. Rather excited about this. Now I've moved all the other quadcopters out of the way for the moment, and I bought this package online from eBay, and I got it from d1store.com.au. that's a little card they send you. I was actually surprised they sent me a little pen, which I wasn't expecting, so that's a rather nice little surprise in the package. Hopefully it'll work okay. I've got the spare battery, so that's rather handy. You do need a couple of batteries because these are only lasting about 10 to 13 minutes, give or take. The box itself is pretty straightforward. There's not a lot on it, as you can see. Nothing on that side there. There's a barcode or something on that end, and nothing on the other end. So we'll now cut it open and pull it out and see what's in there. If I can get it, that is. There it goes. So opening it up for the first time, and as you can see, nothing in the box, and that's basically it. Looks like the top will pull off, does it? Oh yeah, it's a double that comes off, and there we go. That's all there is to it. So it's quite a tiny little copter compared to the others, so looking forward to that. And I just got interrupted then, sorry about that. I'll come back to the unboxing. Now when you're looking at the box you think there's nothing else there. Well, there actually is. You have to open the other little bit down the bottom here, and in this little compartment, surprise surprise, out comes all the goodies that were hidden. So there you go. So make certain that you open both ends, otherwise you're in for a bit of a surprise. You're going to think you've been shortchanged. So these are the things we've got. We've got, what's that? Looks like instruction manual, bit more paperwork, and a battery and some spare propellers. So we shall assemble it all, put it on charge, and see what we come up with. Okay, standing back, right.
Cool. It's up the sky. Flying, it's flying, 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 flying. Hey, where is it? Hey, where is it? It's up in the sky. Oh, I can see it, It's camouflage. It's going near the bridge. It's like a spider. Hey, it's over the bridge. Where? There, it's camouflage. I can see it. It's actually going over the bridge. See it? See it now, Maddie? Nope. I can see it. It's like a little line. I can't even see one little bit of it.
It's coming back towards us now.
Oh,
See it?
See, Maddie, it was over the bridge.
See it coming back now?
It was on top of the bridge.
It's alright. We'll bring him down. Bring it back a little bit.
Gotcha.
Bring him down. You got your photo?
Yeah.
Want to get another photo?
Okay. It won't see it. Just
Okay.
in the
Okay, want it down a little bit more? Down a little bit more? About there for you? Up a tad. You want there?
Up.
A little bit more? About there?
Perfect.
Okay.